There is a new partnership in town, and one of the community members have asked me to cover this. So this is the new partnership between Chainlink and Ripple. We're going to look at the latest news, how they're performing on the price charts, and then I've got a new platform that I'm going to be showing you right at the end. So I'm Keith, guys. This is Crypto Bullseye. Welcome to the channel, and I'm going to be bringing you major crypto news every single Friday going forward from now. Wednesday is going to be the midweek market analysis. Monday is going to be the crypto tutorials. So if you think any of those are going to benefit you on your journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel. So we're talking about the Ripple and the Chainlink partnership today. The whole thing surrounding the stablecoin RLUSD. If you remember, that was launched last month. So the partnership between Ripple and Chainlink marks a new development in the stablecoin sector as Ripple moves to enhance its RLUSD stablecoin with reliable price data feeds. Emphasis on price data feeds. The collaboration announced on January the 7th, 2025 aims to strengthen RLUSD's position in the growing decentralized DeFi ecosystem. So it was launched last month in December 2024, and this is the important thing. It received approval from the New York Department of Financial Services, the NYDFS. Currently maintains a market capitalization of 77 million, and the stablecoin operates across both the XRP and the Ethereum networks, providing users flexibility with their transactions. So this integration brings secure and verifiable price feeds directly to the Ethereum network where many DeFi applications operate. So that's the important thing, guys. And this addition addresses a crucial need in DeFi platforms, which requires access to accurate real-time price data for various financial operations. So XRP absolutely rampant over the past few months. You can see it's moved from the breakout, and we managed to get the breakout on the channel before, guys, 419% to its high, to where price action is now, 319%. So we've had a huge break on XRP, and we're creating a bull flag. This is a bull flag. You've got the flagpole, you've got your pullback, creating a bull flag. So how can you trade a bull flag? Easy, guys. You're looking for momentum. Who's got momentum? Looking for momentum and risk management. You stick a trend line on there, and you're waiting for a break, and you're waiting for a close above. So you want something like this to happen. Break, close above. Then you've got a confirmation, and that allows one thing: protection zones, because you know that if you pull back into trend, that's a fake out. You want to be out with the least amount of capital possible. If you did it where price action is now, you're still in trend. You've got this to fall back on, all the way down here. So wait until the bulls have got momentum. How do you know when the bulls have got momentum? You've got the trend. You've also got your indicators. You've got stochastic here, which is telling us that we're pulling back now. So we're likely to come back, test this previous low that's been tested once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So it's been tested 4 times. We're likely to come back, test this again. Then once you've got momentum on the stochastic, you've got another turn. You're either going to reject here or you're going to break through. Once you've broke through, you can retest. That's your confirmation, protections below the previous low, and then continue to the upside. So that's how you can protect yourself with the limited amount of capital. Otherwise, if something drops strong support like this level here, $2, if you drop $2, you get an acceleration all the way down as quick as it went up all the way here. So is it likely to happen, guys? We're in a bull flag at the moment. Bull flag's got to be respected. There's a higher probability you break to the upside in a bull flag. However, give yourself higher probability, wait till the bulls have got momentum, wait till the indicators have reset, and then you can try again. So that's XRP. Link, $20.76. You can see on Chainlink as well, these have got a bit of time to come back. This has got a bit of time to come back. The level to hold on Chainlink is $19.93. So around $20. That's going to be a psychological level. If you get a break and a close below $18.35, that's going to signal a surge all the way down to $15.12. So you can stick a trend line on here as well, guys. It's all about the momentum, remember? Trend is your friend till the bend at the end. So stick a trend line on there, wait for the break, wait for the close, protect yourself, and then you could swing. So basically there's different types of trend, guys. You've got the trend following traders. They're the ones that are shooting for the previous high. You've got your trend continuation, the ones that are shooting higher. You've got your trend reversal. They're the ones that are looking for things like inverse head and shoulder breakouts. So when you're flowing with the trend, you're waiting for the pullback, you wait to get momentum. That's i.e. the break, the close, the pullback. Wait for the indicators to reset, give you additional confluence, and then you can protect yourself by knowing exactly if it pulls back into trend, that's where you want to be out with the least amount of capital possible. So the platform that I'm going to be showing you today is forecaster.biz. Now, why am I showing you this platform? Anybody that's been watching this channel for any time now knows that I'm planning on scaling out of the crypto market and going into other markets that I think that are going to outperform when crypto goes through a bear market, and then being able to run one bull market into another bull market. That's the aim of the game, guys. And Forecaster is going to allow me to do that because this focuses on not just crypto, but stocks, shares, commodities, all sorts of things. And I'm going to give you a quick demonstration before we look at crypto, before we look at XRP, before we look at Chainlink, as to different things that this can do. It's got an AI agent built into it, so that can give you analysis, bring all the analysis together, and then make a decision based on that analysis collectively, and then just point out to you the pros and the cons. You've got your US government tracker. This is like insider information. You can go into this, you can go and see what the politicians in the United States are doing. Virginia Fox, North Carolina Republican, she's just sold Energy Transfer LP. She sold it on the 7th, and she sold between 15,000 and 50,000 worth. So you can see Virginia Fox, she's just bought Amgen. Virginia again, she's bought Amgen 1 to 15,000. So she's took some out of Energy Transfer, she's put it into Amgen, and then she's selling, she's buying, she's selling, she's buying. Go and find out what Virginia Fox and her friends are doing and front run the rest of the market. Do they know anything? The politicians, do they know anything? Do they have insider information? If the politicians are buying, surely they must know something. So that's a good tool to give you insider information. It's got all sorts of different features, which I'll be covering in future videos. But I'm going to be going over Chainlink. We're going to be going over XRP in this video. So you just click on forecaster.biz. By the way, guys, I've negotiated a 10% discount for you using the link below. So if you find this useful, I'm going to be demonstrating a lot more of this app going forward. Click on the link below, use my discount code and get 10% off. So we'll look at Chainlink first. First thing that I want to do is look at the seasonality. So the reason we look at the seasonality is to see how Chainlink performs previously, as an example, going into January. This is the 3, this is the 5 year, and you can see Chainlink usually going, this is December, runs into the start of January, and then towards 10th, 11th, has a pullback all the way back down to, remember this date, guys, from the Bitcoin video, 22nd. That's where the Bitcoin seasonality bottoms out on the 3, the 5 year, the 1 year. So 22nd, comes down, it double bottoms here. So we can add additional confluence on there and see how it ran last year as well. Add in last year, you can see pretty similar. It comes back down here, around about this time here, it puts a bottom towards the end of the month. So that's Chainlink. If you look at the overbought, oversold and the advanced DPO, what does this mean? When you've got green, let's have a look. When you've got green, that's a strong buy. When you've got blue, that's a hold. When you've got orange, that's a sell. When you got red, that's a strong sell. So that's the advanced DPO. It's showing that we're in blue at the moment. We were in green. Now we've come back down, we're in blue. So that's signaling a hold as far as the advanced DPO is concerned. We'll have a look at XRP next. Do exactly the same thing on XRP. This is just a little bit of the information that it's gathering, guys. I'm just showing you a little part of what this thing can do. I'm going to perform a lot more videos going forward on how to use this thing. I need to learn how to use it myself. This is new to me too. So you can see we've got the 3, the 5 year seasonality. What does XRP usually do? It usually bleeds in January. You can see it bleeds into January. What we'll do is we'll add in last year. Then we'll stick in the current. If you look at last year, it pretty much was a stable coin last year. Then you stick in the current. And look how much it's run. This is what a narrative does. This is what a catalyst does. You stick into this year. Look how this drives compared to all the previous years. This was because of the lawsuit. Get the lawsuit out the way. Ripple becomes adopted. Banks start using Ripple. Ripple just completely breaks away from the narrative. So that was just a quick introduction, a sneak peek of Forecaster. I'm going to be using this to build data on top of my existing analysis to help me understand and identify what it is that I'm getting into, the risk that I'm getting into. But this is going to be a tool that's going to help me identify what I'm scaling out of and what I'm scaling into, because the aim of the game is to front run the market by 9 to 12 months, understand what's going to be high in demand, what's going to be low in supply in the next 9 to 12 months, and I'm going to be scaling out of my crypto positions. You know when I'm going to be scaling out? When total 3 breaks its all-time high, I'm going to be scaling out of our crypto positions, and I'm going to be going into other positions that I think that are going to be high in demand in the next 9 to 12 months. So this is going to be one of the tools that's going to help me identify what those markets are, help me identify who's front running the markets, what the politicians are doing, and all sorts of different stuff that I'm going to be demonstrating in future videos. So subscribe to the channel, help me get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of April. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.